So do you think you can afford this property? Let's find out. This is the purchase price. We're going to use a 5% down payment, which will be this amount. Assuming a credit score of 740 or better, this will be your interest rate and APR. Your monthly principal and interest payment would be this amount. Your estimated monthly tax, insurance, and mortgage insurance amount would be this amount. Your monthly homeowners association dues are this amount. That brings your total monthly payment to this. Your estimated closing costs will be this amount. The total that you will need for cash to close, which includes your down payment and your estimated closing costs, would be this amount. So let's get down to it. The annual gross amount that you will need to make is this amount, which breaks down to this monthly gross income. So if you think you can afford this property, let's chat.